So hello everyone and guys, welcome to the RRR series of your current affairs preparation for your upcoming RPA Grade B and NABARD Grade 8 2026 examination. This is day 55 of your government schemes revision and let's begin with the session here. First of all, let's look at the homework question from day 54, that is on Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. The question was, consider the following statements regarding withdrawals and maturity under Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Up to 50% withdrawal is allowed for education after the girl turns 18 or passes class 10. The account matures after 21 years or on marriage after age of 18 years, and premature closure is allowed anytime without restriction. So here guys, if I talk about here, option number A 1 and 2 is the right answer, because premature closure जो है without restriction नहीं है, 5 years के बाद ही आप कर सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि time की restriction नहीं है. बात करते हैं scheme for the day. Consider the following statement regarding the small hydro project scheme that has recently been launched. Consider the following statements regarding financial assistance under the small hydro project scheme. Subsidy for northeastern states and border district is rupees 3.6 crore per megawatt or 30% of the project cost, whichever is lower. Subsidy for general state is 2.4 crore rupees per megawatt or 20% of the project cost, whichever is lower. Detailed project report preparation support of 50 crore is allocated under the scheme. So which of the given statement is or are correct? 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1 only. So guys, यहाँ पे आंसर बन जाएगा 1 and 2 because 50 crore rupees नहीं, 30 crore rupees provide किए जाते हैं. Then the second question is, which of the following is the implementing ministry of the small hydro project scheme? Ministry of Power, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. So guys, the answer is going to be option number B, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Now it's a time for the homework question for the day, that is, which of the following statements correctly describes the capacity, target and definition of the small hydro projects? Small hydro project includes project above 100 megawatt. Target is to add 5000 megawatt capacity by 2031. Small hydro projects are defined as those up to 25 megawatt capacity. The scheme aims to replace all existing hydro projects, and small hydro project excludes run of the river project. So you have to let me know which of the given is the right answer here. So thank you for watching this video guys, and for more such videos, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel.